Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white queso dip. To begin, ensure you have the core ingredients for that authentic restaurant taste. We'll focus on quality cheese, the right liquid for creaminess, and a few key seasonings. This simple approach guarantees a delicious, smooth dip every time. Get ready to transform your kitchen into your favorite Mexican eatery with just a few steps. The secret to truly great white queso lies in your cheese choice and how you melt it. White American cheese, especially from the deli, provides that signature creamy texture. Always opt for a block and cut it yourself. Pre-shredded varieties can make your dip grainy. Remember to melt your cheese gradually over low heat, stirring constantly to achieve a perfectly smooth, luscious consistency. Patience here is key for success. Now, let's infuse our queso with incredible flavor and achieve that ideal, velvety texture. Evaporated milk or whole milk provides the perfect liquid base for creaminess. Stir in diced green chilies for a mild, classic taste, along with a blend of spices like cumin and garlic powder. Remember to keep the heat low and whisk constantly. This prevents the cheese from separating and ensures a wonderfully smooth, restaurant-quality dip. Your delicious homemade white queso is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it piping hot with a generous bowl of crispy tortilla chips. For an extra treat, stir in some seasoned ground beef or spicy chorizo. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or diced tomatoes adds a lovely finish. If you're serving a crowd, keep your queso warm in a slow cooker on the warm setting to maintain its perfect, dippable consistency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.